Alright. We have here the Redragon M610 Gainer Gaming Mouse. This is a 6-button wired USB-A interface mouse. Rated at 5 volts, 100 mAh, that weighs 138.4 grams, and a dimension of 128.5 by 74 by 41 millimeters. The box has the usual Redragon style of a black shiny box, with all the highlights printed all around. I got this for only 420 Philippine pesos from Shopee, which is really cheap for a gaming mouse. It also has 4 fixed DPI adjustments for 1000, 1600, 2400 and 3200 DPI, which is represented in different LED colors of red, blue, green and purple. Polling rate is at 500 Hz, which is a bit low for a gaming mouse. It uses a Huano gaming switch, which gives a bit of an assurance in the durability side, and to add to that are the durable and smooth Teflon feet pads. In a usual Redragon manner as well, it is difficult to locate where is the proper opening of this damn box. And once you finally manage to open the box, at last, you will be presented with the mouse itself. But let's put that mouse aside for now and look at the other things in the box. We have a nice folded user manual and product information sheet here in English. Then a set of good-looking stickers. And that's it. Now looking at the Redragon M610 Gainer mouse itself. All the 6 buttons are tactile and feels solid. It features a sleek ergonomic design with a comfortable grip, making it suitable for long gaming sessions. The mouse is made of high-quality plastic with a silky rubbery finish, providing a pleasant tactile feel. The sides have indentations for better grip and to allow the LED lighting to shine through. Both sides have these tiny holes for the LED light effect. And we also have a Redragon logo here at the top bottom side, which also lights up. At the bottom we have the Teflon feet still covered securely, which is nice. Let's remove that now. We also have all the specs and feature highlights printed here at the bottom, along with its high-precision optical sensor at the center. The cable is not braided, but it is thick enough to instill some confidence on its durability. This is 1.8 meters long by the way, which is perfect even when you're using this on a desktop computer with a CPU under the desk. One of the standout features of the M610 Gainer is its LED lighting. The mouse has multiple color modes that change based on the selected DPI setting. Red for 1000, blue for 1600, green for 2400, and purple for 3200. While the colors cannot be customized and has no light effects, just a single solid color, they add a nice visual touch to the mouse. The 4 DPI settings provides different sensitivity levels depending on the user's needs, whether for gaming or regular use. The DPI button is conveniently located beneath the scroll wheel, making it easy to adjust on the fly. The mouse has 6 buttons that includes the usual left and right clicks, the scroll middle click, the DPI button, and 2 thumb buttons, which are usually used to move forward or to the previous or page when browsing. The scroll wheel is smooth and, as mentioned, also doubles as a center click function. Usually, Redragon mouse and keyboards has software companions which allows you to further customize the mouse, like assigning specific function to a button or adjusting the LED lighting effects. Unfortunately, the M610 has no software companion. I tried looking for it everywhere and there's none. Which sadly also means no button and lighting customization can be done for this mouse. Connectivity only through wired physical USB connection, so there's no charging or connectivity options to worry about. Since we are talking about the performance, the polling rate of the Redragon M610 Gainer is not that great for gamers. On my test, it is rated for a maximum of 540 Hz. But no matter how fast I move it, it can only reach a maximum of 469 Hz. For normal office and casual usage this is more than fine, but I know that most of the true gamers prefer more than 500 Hz polling rate and this falls short for that. This is one thing to consider if you plan to buy this mouse. In terms of usage, the M610 Gainer excels. The ergonomic design ensures that your hand rests comfortably on the mouse, reducing strain during extended use. The sort of semi-rubberized surface of the upper button decreases the risk of accidental clicks, which is a thoughtful addition. The mouse is built to last, with durable switches and smooth Teflon feet pads that ensure it glides effortlessly across surfaces. The cord, although not braided, is sturdy and should withstand regular use. The Redragon M610 Gainer is a versatile gaming mouse, but its suitability for gaming-specific clicking techniques like butterfly clicking, drag clicking, and flick shots can vary. Flick shots rely on the mouse's sensor accuracy and DPI settings. The M610 Gainer's high-precision optical sensor and adjustable DPI settings, which is up to 3200 DPI, make it suitable for flick shots in FPS games. Its ergonomic design also helps maintain control during quick movements. Drag clicking requires a mouse with a textured surface that can register multiple clicks as you drag your finger across the button. The M610 has a smooth surface, which might not be ideal for drag clicking. Users often prefer mice with a rougher texture or specialized coatings for this technique. And butterfly clicking involves rapidly alternating clicks with 2 fingers on the same button. The M610 Gainer's buttons are responsive and durable, which can support this technique. However, achieving high CPS, or clicks per second, might be challenging compared to mice specifically designed for high-speed clicking. To summarize, butterfly clicking is possible in M610, but it is not optimized for high CPS. Drag clicking is less suitable due to its smooth surface. And flick shots is well suited due to accurate sensor and adjustable DPI. One problem that I experienced on the Redragon M610 is that it does not work well on wider reflective surfaces. The table I use is white and I needed a mousepad for it to function well. Obviously, since the sensor does not work well in a white surface, when I tried it on a glass or reflective surface, it is worse. I think this is the first gaming mouse from Redragon that I experienced this. Alright. At its price point, the Redragon M610 Gainer offers excellent value for money. It provides many features typically found in more expensive gaming mice, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. However, there are compromises here, which you would naturally expect with its really cheap price. The M610 has a non-braided cable. It has no software companion which automatically cancels out all customization options for the light effects and button function assignments, and they seem to have a cheaper sensor for this mouse, since it does not work well when using on a wider reflective surface, so when you plan to buy this mouse, make sure that you have a mouse pad ready. With these cons, there's still way more pros for the Redragon M610. First, of course, is the very affordable price. Then its high-quality build, ergonomic design, multiple DPI settings, the LED lighting, although it has no effects, and the overall look of this mouse is just gorgeous. For me, the Redragon M610 Gainer is still an excellent budget gaming mouse that offers a lot of features for its price. It's comfortable, durable, and performs well, making it a solid choice for casual gamers and those who just want a good-looking mouse with lots of usable features. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Milasuj for watching. Noba Air.